Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Taboo token. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So in the past 1 year, it has given more than 700% return and it's currently trending on the coin market cap. So if you go and check the markets over here, this is where you can buy this token. Now for the video purpose, I will show the example of Mexc Global. So if you don't have an account on Mexc Global, you can use the link in the description where you will be getting sign up bonuses and also very minimum trading fees. So as you can see, the taker fee is only 0.03% and there is no maker fee if you use the link. And this is Mex is available globally except for US and few European countries, I think so. And also I will leave a link for LBank where you can sign up if you are in US. So let's get straight into the video. So if we talk about the Taboo token over here, we'll need to check its handle so it's Taboo. So all you have to do is once you're signed up on Mex, all you have to do is you will need to transfer USDT or directly buy using debit card and global money transfer. Check with your country if this option is available, then you can directly buy it. If not, then you can transfer it from your different wallet or maybe some centralized exchange. So all you have to do is you will need to click on spot over here and we'll wait for the interface to load. And in the USDT pair, just search for Taboo. So now you can see Taboo is populated over here. Now there are two methods to buy Taboo token. One is a limit order and one is the market order. Now the limit order would be like if you want to set a certain price as to how much you want to buy this for. For example, if you want to buy one token for 0.00282 USDT, then you can put this price. If not, then you can go ahead and change it. Let's say if you want to buy it for 0.002. Now what will happen is like whenever this token or coin hits this specific price, then the order would be executed and you will receive Taboo tokens in your spot wallet. Now the alternate way is like you can put the amount of USDT. It won't allow me because I have zero USDT in my Mex account because I have already purchased other coins and tokens. Because there is no use for me to keep USDT. Rather, I would earn from different coins. So let's say if you want to put in 1,000 USDT, it's not allowing me because there is zero USDT. But you can put a certain amount of USDT over here, and then you put a limit price and simply click on buy Taboo and just wait for the market to execute your order. If you want to directly purchase it at the current price, whatever is there as per the sale order, you directly click on market and put the total amount of USDT. For example, 1,000 USDT and click on buy Taboo. So similarly, you can do this on LBank and other exchanges. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.